Hi all, hope you all are doing good. I'm ready with my setup for the trading. So this will be the software that I will be using for trading. And this is made by ourselves itself. So, and this is connected to an Xbox controller actually. So in future, there will be a video coming in the right side of the corner, how I'm taking trades with the Xbox controller. Actually, this helps me in scalping and mainly for risk management purposes. So this helps me risk management actually. Okay. So I have integrated into an Xbox controller, the gaming controller, which we play games in Xbox and PS5 kind of. So that is linked to this software, which one you are seeing downside. So let's see. I'll show you how I'm trading. The chart is on here. I know the chart is smaller, but I wanted to show you this area. That's why I'm I have done it like that. Okay. Okay. Then it's almost 9:10 right now. I'm ready with my strike. I can move it like that. Okay. So if I use a switch in the Xbox controller, I can go into the ITM, ATM, OTMs, everything. And if I move it up, down in the joystick, I can select which whether it is a call or it's a put. If it's red, it's put, and if it's green, it's call. Okay. So I use an Xbox controller. In future, so many exciting things are coming up. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this channel. And let me be clear in one thing. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. I do not provide any kind of buy or sell recommendations in this channel. This channel is totally intended for education purposes only. Okay? Don't expect me to provide any buy or sell recommendations. I do not provide that. So please consult with your financial advisor for that. Okay? So 4 more minutes for the market to open. So let it open. The other thing is that as soon as I hit 10,000 per day, I will be stopping for that particular day. I mean, if I get 10,000 today, I'll stop it. So whatever above 10,000 I'm getting, that is, I'll accept it like a bonus that I'm receiving, and I will be quitting the day. So as of the capital which I am having right now, I will be targeting only 10,000 per day. My capital is 3 lakh, 3 lakh rupees. Okay. So let's grow together. I have a lot of plans in mind. I'll discuss it in the future videos. The market is about to open. It's almost 9:14. So we'll be looking for the trades. Market is okay. There is an open high pending in there. 210, 276. But it's not safe to go with call side as of now. Let me see. 80,000 calls. 79,700 call. I kept it as 79,700 call. Both side premiums are decaying actually, especially on the call side. If I get a good entry, I may look for a trade. Let's see. I can shift it into call or put as if I want or the way I want. Let's say for put, I will be looking at the strike 80,100 put. The market wants to go upside, but the premiums are not moving on the same way which the market or in the index is moving. So I trade on sensex actually, mostly because there is a good volatility in there. So I like volatility actually. Even though the market is trending, trying to move upside, the premiums are not moving. It's not safe to get into the call trade as of right now. It's not at all safe to be in the call side, but once I get the confirmation to go to the call side, I will be entering into that particular trade. But puts are more convincing right now, but even though puts are not moving, but there is a slight chance of put premiums to get spiked. Let's see. But as of now, both side is decaying. Just waiting for my entry to come. I will look for a put trade. Open low. And yesterday, actually, the market was rallying. Actually, if you're seeing the entire day, it was rallying. But don't expect. I'm not expecting that kind of move today because yesterday was a good day, and most of the time after a trending day, what happens is that the market tend to go on the sideways or a range bound most of the time. But anything can happen. But what I have observed is once the trending market is or a trending day is over in the market, the next day usually it's like I'm going to eat away the premiums. So I have that in mind, and my trades will be based on that. If it takes my SL, okay, it's okay. So let me see what happens. I'll be looking only for the 30 points in my quantity will be 30 point 340 340 points. sorry, 340 quantity, and my SL also will be, if you're seeing it here, you can see the software is made based on my risk management. So if I can click it on the Xbox controller like that, and I can select my risk reward ratio. So today I like to keep it in a 1:1. So 1:1 for me, it's like 30 points stop loss and 30-point target, either anything. So this is what is in my mind. So I'm selecting a strike and I'll keep it in 1:1 risk reward. So once I enter, this Maverick software will take care of the exiting criteria. I mean, it exits it automatically, even it can trail automatic, and it can put SL as soon as you enter, and you can take control over it by manually. You can do whatever. It's basically a risk management tool. It's trying to go for the open high. The call side premiums are rising, so it may go and touch this 455 from 357. There is a high chance of it, but even though premiums are trying to move on the call side, and I don't feel to follow it right now, but once my setup suggests me to go for it, I'll be taking that particular trade. But let me see. I have integrated a strategy into this software. I'll be explaining it in the future. Open high and open low. So you can see it in right away in the software and the strike itself. So you will be able to easy for you guys. So the call premiums do not want to spike. It's again trying to fall. Okay. I'm looking for puts right now. 80,000 puts. Is there any something? No, no. Okay, I've taken put, almost making a good money. Oh, there is a slight error in the software. I should be careful. I'm out, guys. I'm out. Made 23,000. This was a small error in this software when I traded, so I'll look into it. This is still in making, okay? This is not a final product. This is still in the making. I'm done for the day and I have made my money and closing the day by 926. So my setup told me to take on the put side. The premiums were spiking and I have another monitor which I have set it up. So I look at there. I can't show everything in here because the screen get congested and I have my limitations because of the new tighter rules and regulations which is being going here and there. So, but we have so many exciting things coming up. This was supposed to be exiting by 10,000 rupees. I had given for 1:1, so there is some error in this. So this is still in the production mode. So once the final product is out, I'll let you know all. Okay. So I'm done for the day. I had to manually exit. I mean, I exited with the Xbox controller itself, but I had to take over it manually. So this is my order history. I took it for 388 and I sold it for 456. I'll refresh it for you guys. Okay, this is my order history and this is my position. And I'm done for the day. And those who have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Lot of things are coming on the way. I mean, lot of things. Staying inside the rule. Okay, everything whatever is going to come forward is going to be staying inside the SEBI's new rules. So I'm not intending to break anything, any of it. Okay, take care, guys. Love you. Bye.